In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report type in Salesforce. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Custom report types can be really powerful because they allow you to create tailored reports reflecting your unique business needs. So let's jump right in. First, ensure you're logged into your Salesforce environment. You can open your browser and head over to your Salesforce account. It's essential to have the necessary permissions to create report types, so if you're not seeing something that's mentioned here, check with your Salesforce administrator. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Give that a click. This menu will give you access to various settings and setup options. From here, you're going to find Setup. Click on that, and let's head into the Advanced Setup options. In the Setup menu, there's a search box at the top left. In that field, type Report Types and press Enter. This search will help you find the report type settings without having to navigate through the entire configuration menu. When the results come up, you should see a link that says Report Types. Click on that to access the Report Types page. Here, you'll see a list of existing report types that you can use or customize later. But since we want to create something new, look for an option to create a new custom report type. Hit New Custom Report Type, and here's where the fun begins. You'll be directed to a page where you need to set several details for your new report type. First, you need to select a primary object. This is the main data type that your report will pull from. For example, if you're creating a report about sales, you might select Opportunities as your primary object. Once you make your selection, click Next to move on to the next step. Next, it's time to label your report type. Think of a name that clearly identifies what this report will be about. This label is what you'll see in the report builder, so make it descriptive but concise. After labeling, proceed by clicking Next. You'll also want to add a brief description of the report type. This will help other users understand the purpose of the report type when they come across it. It could be something like Sales Opportunities by region, or whichever categorizes the data best for your organization. Now, you'll need to select a category for the report type. This is important as it helps users to find your report efficiently in the report creation interface. Choosing the right category will streamline the workflow for everyone's report building process. Once you've selected the category, you'll see an option to determine whether your report type should be deployed. By marking it as deployed, you enable others in your organization to use this report type. If you leave it undeployed, only you will have access to it. Make sure you click the option to deploy it. After that, click Next. Now you'll arrive at a more advanced setup window where you can relate other objects if necessary. Click on the Click to Relate Another Object link. This allows you to add additional related objects that can be pulled into your reports. For example, if you want to include data from accounts related to opportunities, you can add that relationship here. In the following menu, you'll select the additional object that you wish to relate to your primary object. Once you've made your selection, click on Next to continue. Finally, it's time to save your new custom report type. Click the Save button to finalize everything. Congratulations! You've successfully created a custom report type in Salesforce. By following these steps, you have not only enhanced your reporting capabilities, but have also contributed significantly to your organization's data analysis strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.